Let's make zucchini chi bhaji. Zucchini is loaded with fiber and it cooks really fast, like it's ready within 10 to 12 minutes. So if you're pressed for time and looking something to like make really quickly, this is something that you can make. It requires very few ingredients, like turmeric powder, red chili powder, any curry powder. Just cover and cook it for like 6 to 7 minutes. Don't overcook. Add garnish with some coriander and sesame seeds and it's ready. So I hope you like it. Enjoy. Bye bye.